Okay, once you log into OnShape, you should see your name up here. You have your app store, you have your settings under here as well. But this page right here is your dashboard or your document page. As you make things will show up right here. Okay, if other things get shared with you, like when students share things with me, they show up under here. Okay, but what you also have is the create button. That's going to be your main one. Sometimes you might need trash if you accidentally delete something to go check your trash, but most of the time you're going to get on here to make your assignments. You're going to open it from right here if you've already started it just by double clicking, or you're going to create a new document. So you're going to say document new. You're going to name it whatever it is for your assignment so you can find it later. So if you're making a piece of furniture, a chair, a table, you're going to name it that. You're going to hit the create button, and that is going to bring you to this screen right here. This is going to be your main OnShape screen. Okay, so down here on the bottom, you have your part studio and assembly. You have two of these things that show up. Okay, you can add more by hitting the plus button and then adding part studios or assemblies, or you can right click and then you can say, like, create a new assembly. Okay, when you're on here, here's what you have. You have a thing over here, a little cube that you can turn around and stuff like that. So you can click on that, or when you press your arrows on your keys, you can turn it around. Whenever you click on something, it brings it to that face. You can go to isometric to go back to normal. Okay, you have parts. So when you have something made, it might have all your parts are down here once you have them extruded in their 3D. Okay, over here, this is where you have your views. So here's your top view, your top plane, here's your front plane, here's your right plane. You can create other planes as well. Okay, and then once you start, and then you have all your tools up here that you can use. These are the ones after you've already made a sketch though. So let's say if you wanted to sketch something and then you tell it where you want to sketch, now you have all these tools that show up that you can click on. But if you don't click on, see it says select sketch plane right here? That's why none of them are highlighted. You always have to select the sketch plane first. So if I wanted to draw on the front, I click on the front, and now all those tools are available. So that is your intro to your OnShape dashboard in Workspace.